Hello everyone, we are going to talk about Arixdex Airdrop real or fake review. Okay, so this has generated a significant interest. That's why I'm just making this video. But recent reviews suggest cautious regarding its legitimacy. Now here's why. The very first reason, withdrawal issues. Multiple reviews indicate that the user have struggled to withdraw funds from the Arixdex platform. Despite claim of mining a system and daily rewards, there's no evidence that anyone has successfully withdrawn the money. I try to find this website, but you can see what is happening. It's the same. There are different kind of stuff and videos here, right? I'm not getting this website. Nothing here. I didn't find any reviews, right? Neither on the Trustpilot, nothing, right? So this is a major concern that why it's not showing on the Google, right? In review posted here, of course, it was highlighted that while the mining and token system appears operational, there may not yield actual financial benefits, right? So the consequences among reviewers is to approach Eric's text with skepticism. The lack of successful withdrawals and transparency about the operation suggest it might be a potential scam rather than a legitimate opportunity for earning through cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.